Tammy Slaton, one half of TLC's widely followed duo from 1000 LB Sisters, is no longer the woman she once was. After years of struggling with her health, enduring life-threatening hospital visits, and publicly fighting her weight issues on reality television, Tammy has done the unimaginable. She has shed over 500 pounds. And now, in a recent viral video that has stunned fans and critics alike, the 600+ pound star was seen confidently rocking a pair of tight jeans. Fans are now calling her skinny and praising her for a transformation that many thought would never happen. This striking visual of Tammy in slim-fitting denim, smiling and walking unaided, without her wheelchair or walker, marks a turning point in her life and in her legacy. From the early days of 1000 LB Sisters, viewers saw Tammy in a dark, painful place. She could barely move on her own, her breathing was labored, and her future seemed grim. Yet despite every health scare, emotional breakdown, and family conflict, she persevered. And now, standing tall and slimmer than she's ever been in her adult life, Tammy is not only surviving, she's thriving. Social media exploded the moment the new footage hit TikTok. Tammy had uploaded a short clip of herself doing nothing more than walking down a sidewalk, but the visual impact was staggering. Wearing a fitted t-shirt tucked into stylish tight jeans, and her long hair brushed out with simple makeup, Tammy looked like a completely different person. Fans were quick to flood the comments with shocked praise. "You look so skinny," one person wrote. Another added, "I did a double take. I thought this was a new cast member. Tammy, this is unreal." Comments of admiration and joy kept pouring in. "You were glowing. Your energy is so different," one fan pointed out. Others simply left fire emojis, hearts, and clapping hands. But it wasn't always this way. Tammy's journey has been one of the hardest ever documented in reality television. She faced setbacks that included food addiction, mental health battles, and even a medically induced coma. During earlier seasons, viewers witnessed the devastating consequences of her lifestyle. Her weight ballooned to over 700 pounds at one point. She was unable to bathe without assistance, couldn't attend family events, and was even told by doctors that she might not survive another year. Her mobility was limited, and every movement was met with exhaustion and pain. Despite the tough love from family, particularly her sister Amy Halterman, Tammy often resisted change. She lashed out, blamed others, and self-sabotaged. Her fans feared the worst, but what happened between then and now is nothing short of miraculous. Tammy finally reached her breaking point and agreed to enter a rehab facility for weight loss. It was there, away from the cameras and outside pressures, that she began a slow but steady journey of healing, not just physically, but mentally and emotionally as well. She committed to therapy, nutritional education, and daily physical activity. Her progress was painstakingly slow at first, but with time and dedication, the pounds began to melt away. And once she qualified for bariatric surgery, her transformation took off like a rocket. Now, a year after the surgery, the changes are astonishing. The latest visual proof, those tight jeans, symbolize far more than a wardrobe update. They represent freedom. Tammy no longer relies on oversized sweatpants to hide her body. She's embracing fashion, confidence, and self-expression in a way that was unimaginable a few years ago. She walks unaided, goes shopping, poses for pictures, and smiles without fear of judgment. The physical transformation is incredible, but the emotional and spiritual transformation is perhaps even more powerful. In interviews, Tammy has spoken openly about how her journey hasn't just been about losing weight, but about reclaiming her life. "I used to be scared of dying. Now I'm scared of wasting time," she recently told a fan during a live Q&A. That shift in mindset is perhaps what has helped her push through the darkest moments. She has also credited her fans for their ongoing support. "They kept me going. Even when I didn't believe in myself, they believed in me," she said. Tammy's evolution is not without its critics. Some social media users have accused her of undergoing cosmetic procedures or using filters to exaggerate her results. But these claims have been quickly debunked. Family members and TLC production insiders have verified her weight loss, and doctors involved in her care have confirmed that Tammy's transformation is very real. In fact, she's reportedly in the best shape she's been in decades, and she's considering skin removal surgery to eliminate the excess T. You left behind. Another interesting layer to Tammy's glow-up is the renewed attention from suitors and social media influencers. With her newfound confidence, Tammy has begun exploring the dating scene again. But she's been cautious. After a tumultuous relationship with her ex-husband Caleb Willingham, who passed away unexpectedly in 2023, Tammy has been open about needing time to heal before fully trusting someone again. However, fans noticed she's recently been spotted filming with a new male friend, sparking rumors of a budding romance. TLC producers are reportedly thrilled with Tammy's transformation, not just because it's inspiring, but because it's made her one of the most relatable redemption arcs in reality TV history. This is what people want to see. Real struggle, real growth, and real triumph, one insider shared. While 1000 LB Sisters has faced speculation about cancellations amid a broader reorganization at TLC, Tammy's storyline alone might be enough to keep the franchise alive. Fans have followed her through the worst moments. Now, they're excited to witness her victory lap. Her sister Amy has also expressed pride and support. Although the two have clashed in the past, especially during the early seasons of the show, they seem to have found peace again. Amy, now raising her two young children, says she's overjoyed to see Tammy finally living the life she deserves. She worked hard for this. It wasn't easy, but look at her now, Amy shared in a recent episode. Their mother, once critical of Tammy's decisions, has even shown up at family events to cheer her on. Tammy has hinted at several exciting upcoming projects, including a fitness apparel collaboration, a memoir, and even a possible spin-off series centered around her life post-surgery. Fans are eager to see more of her day-to-day routine, from her diet to her gym sessions, her friendships, and her growing influence as a motivational figure. If I can do it, anyone can, she often says. And the numbers support that claim. Her following has more than doubled since she began posting updates about her journey. Tammy's weight loss isn't just a headline. It's a life-saving transformation, and her tight jeans moment is a celebration of that victory. In a world where reality stars often crash and burn, Tammy Slaton is rising from the ashes, defying expectations, and rewriting her narrative. And her fans, old and new, are here for it. From the days of hopelessness and oxygen tubes to modeling denim and smiling with self-assurance, Tammy's journey reminds us that no one is beyond change. Sometimes, all it takes is one hard decision, one more try, and a little faith. As Tammy continues walking her new path, confident, stylish, and finally free, one thing is clear: the woman once defined by her struggles is now inspiring the world with her strength. Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.